Yeah, so guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine. For today's vlog, I will do another unboxing, and it's a vacuum cleaner. Very easy to use, very comfy, and I don't want to make very long. Without further ado, let's get started. Charging socket. Good things for this vacuum cleaner, guys, it's very easy to switch the nozzles. You can also use for the kusina, for the kitchen, and for the sofa, for the carpet, and you know what, guys, this is a cordless vacuum cleaner. Even you can use also for the car cleaning, and to clean the spider webs. You can reach this nozzle. You can change with this. There's a lot of things to use. And for the flash, for your car. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. And if you are new to our channel, please do thumbs like and please share to our video. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, guys, and God bless you all.